Welcome to another video. Now let's provide a solution to this problem. Now it looks very strange, but we'll try as much as possible to solve this with ease. So let's get started. Now let's observe this. When we have x to the power 1 over 3 is the same as cube root of x. So let's look at the numerator here. We have 5 exponent x squared. Okay, so we can write it as 5 exponent x squared times 1 on 3. Since this one is cube root, so it's here on x to the power 5 equals to, so any non-zero number to the power 0 is 1. So we have 1 here. Now let me write this one as, so this is x squared times 1 over 3. That will be 5 raised to x squared on 3 on x to the power 5 equals to 1. Now from here we can make this side over 1 and do cross multiplication. 1 times this is 5 to the power x squared on 3 equals to x to the power 5 times 1 x to the power 5. As simple as that. Now let's bring the powers down here as we take natural log on both sides. So we have ln of 5 raised to x squared on 3 ln of x to 5. Okay, so this one becomes power rule, so this and that. So we have x squared on 3 ln of 5 equals to 5 ln of x. Now what do you see here? So we can write this one as 1 over 3 times x squared ln of 5 equals to 5 ln of x. Okay, now let's dissolve the 1 over 3. So we can multiply both sides by 3 in order to get rid of this. Okay, so we have 3 times 1 over 3 times x squared ln of 5 equals to 3 times 5 ln of x. So this one will cancel. I will leave it x squared ln of 5 equals to 15 ln of x. Okay, now the next thing is to group the ln of x and the x squared on one side. Now the idea is to pave way for the Lambert W function, because we are going to solve this with the help of Lambert W function. So what we are going to do here is very simple. Since I want x squared to come here, I'll divide both sides by x squared. And since I want this 15 to come here, I'll divide both sides by 15. So it will be 15 times x squared, 15 times x squared. So this will cancel. This will also cancel. So I have ln of 5 on 15 equals to ln of x on x squared. All right, so let me write this one on the left. Okay, so all right, now I want to write the left hand side in linear form. So when we have 1 over m, the same as m to the power minus 1. So this side will be ln of x times x to the power minus 2 equals ln of 5 on 15. Okay. Now, let's observe this one here. We want to introduce the Lambert W function. Okay. So what I'll do here is to support this one with e raised l. Now when we have e raised ln of p, the answer is p. E raised ln of x, answer is x. So e raised ln of this, the answer still remains as it is. So I have done nothing. So I have ln of x e raised to ln of x to the power minus 2. So when we go back, the answer will be x raised to minus 2 of 5 on 15. Okay. Now, from here, let's observe this one well. This one is a power rule. So to the ln of x e minus 2 ln of x 15, 5 on 15. Okay, now before you can take the Lambert W function, so W function of n e, okay, raised to n. So when you take W function of this, the answer is n. So always make sure this side is equal to this. But this side is minus 2 ln of x, and this side is only ln of x. It means minus 2 is missing. So we are going to multiply both sides of the equation by negative 2 in order to balance it. So we have minus 2 ln of x e minus 2 ln of x equals minus 2 times ln of 5 on 15. So that's here. Okay, so with this we can go ahead and take the Lambert W function. So we have W function of this ln of x, have W function of minus 2 times ln of 5 on 15. So the left hand side, so this equals that, therefore the answer is one of them, minus 2 ln of x equals to. Now let's modify this. So from here, W function, so we can write this one as 1 on 15 times 2 times minus 1 ln of 5. So minus 2 ln of x equals to W function. So 1 on 15 times 2. Now let's do this one as power rule. So let's send this one to this side. That would be ln of 5 to the power minus 1. So minus 2 ln of x W function. So 1 over 15. So this side will be 1 over 5. 1 over 5. Now let's treat these two also as power to this. So that will be 1 over 5 all squared. So minus 2 equals to. So we have W function of 1 on 15. So we assign the 2. That will be ln of 1 over 5 all squared. Let's confirm. Yeah. So minus 2 ln of x W function of 1 on 15. So ln of, so this one squared will be 1 on 25. As simple as that. Okay, so now that we have this, let's solve x as we divide both sides by -2. So we have ln of x equals to w function 25 on -2. Now remember, to remove ln we have to raise it by e. So if I raise both sides with e, so e raised to ln of x, or to e raised, so this side will be minus w 1 on 15 1 on 25 on 2. So this side will be x, so we have x equals to e raised to minus 1 on 15 on 25 on 2. Alright, so that's the final answer. So x equals that. So subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos.